This helped me, for sure, to get the skills and to be able to get more money and to be able to know my worth. My job is industrial maintenance. I troubleshoot machines. The skills I've acquired are very versatile. They can be applied to a lot of things, not just production for food. You can work at different industries, different places around the world. I can work in mechanic shops, welding shops. They're teaching us multiple skills that you can apply at different industries, not just that one. There's always a need for repair. There's always a need for manufacturing. There's always a need for new workers. I know that I can start my own company with these skills. And right now I get paid pretty well. I plan on moving, applying on different states, because I know that my experience is needed in other places. I'm thinking of like the bigger picture. I'm like,